Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the SIM is active and the phone unlocked, because locked SIMs can block reads. Open your Contacts app and go to Manage Contacts or Settings. Once there, choose Import from SIM and pick the contacts you want, or select All to speed things up. Make sure to import into the device first. This gives you a local copy to work from. Once done, pause and check a few entries for completeness, so you avoid migrating corrupt or partial records. Now you link those device contacts to your Google account so they sync safely to the cloud. Open Contact Settings, tap Accounts, then add or select your Google account. Sign in if prompted, and enable Contact Sync. Next, go back to your contact list, multi-select entries or choose Move/Copy, and choose your Google account as the destination. This transfers ownership so future edits sync across devices. Make sure to wait for the sync icon to show progress before continuing. To finish, verify that your contacts appear in Contacts. Google.com or on a second device signed to the same account. This confirms the cloud copy. If some entries are missing, force a sync by going to Settings, Accounts, Google, and tapping Sync Now, and make sure you have a solid internet connection. If problems persist, export a vCard as a backup before erasing the SIM. This preserves your data and gives you a file to re-import if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.